Hello folks, my name is Juri. I'm a technical architect with Ayantek, and I'm here today to talk to you about how to leverage the cloud to build agile environments. So let's talk a little bit about Agile. So Agile is essentially a fast iterative model so that you can make code changes very quickly and get them out for review. So how does the cloud help with that? So there's a few things that the flexibility of the cloud essentially helps you in being able to put up infrastructure very quickly, right? So you can have your test environment where, say, your executives are testing today, and now you need to make a crazy change that could potentially break the environment. So with the cloud, you can very easily and quickly build a clone of your existing environment to try out your crazy code. Meanwhile, management is using your kind of standard testing environment, right? So again, it helps you kind of iterate and go through these tests and get new code out quickly. So that's definitely one of the advantages with the cloud. Another advantage is really the cost savings, right? So with the cloud, you essentially pay for what you use. So you can have your developers working during the day, at which time your servers are up, and you're paying for those test servers. And then when everybody leaves the office at night, you can turn off your servers or pause your servers, and you're essentially not paying for those servers to be up. While in a traditional data center, you'd have to not only capitalize the expenditure of the servers themselves, but you'd have them using electricity and so on continuously. Another advantage of the cloud is the ability to create multiple environments where you can very quickly build a new environment and isolate versions of the code that you're testing, so that you can have one environment for one developer testing this feature and another environment for another developer that's testing another feature that all have environmental dependencies. So multiple people can be working on different parts of the code that all have environmental dependencies at the same time, and then once you merge the code, you can then deploy that to your standard testing environment and whatnot. So it allows people to work in parallel, and it doesn't create the situation where one developer needs to change the environment and everybody else is on hold until that environment comes back to normal. So it really helps people keep the ball rolling and again keep those costs down, because you're only paying for the time that the developer is essentially using those servers for. So if it's only a few hours, that's the only thing you pay